Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to edit an ASMR video on mobile phone. Now open your editing application and select a specific video which you choose for your video. I choose this one and now I'm gonna select a ratio of a video. You can choose a ratio of video if you choose ratio for YouTube, so you should choose 16 ratio, maybe 20 ratio. Let's see. Yes, 16 ratio 9. Sorry, I always prefer for this video 16 ratio 9. If you want 3 layers video, so you should always be choose 16 ratio 9. Okay, so next part I'm gonna show you how to make a thumbnail, video intro thumbnail. Now I'm taking a screenshot of from a clip so I can add a starting intro thumbnail for a better look. It's a better look for a video. See how I can freeze the video. Okay, so now I take a one shot of from my clip and make a duplicate, and one duplicate in the start of the video and one duplicate clip in the back of the video. Now it's time for second video. Now you can see I overlay a second video. I always prefer, if you want a 3 layers video, you can overlay your videos. You can edit a overlay. You cannot directly edit 3 videos line by line if you want. And now I'm choosing a third video. Yes, this won't be good enough for me. Now you can see 3 videos in one layers. Look, adjust the clips. Don't forget to stretch your image or stretch your video. Now look, 3 videos in 3 layers. But it's not kind of good idea, so we will show you how to make this much better. First, you have to freeze another clip from second video, and now freeze a third clip from third video. As I said before, this first clip is for your video intro, which is very best look for your video. See, look. If you add this feature, it's look very fantastic and eye-catching. Its click-through rate is very high. So you can also add a voiceover on your prompt or your captions.
Go.
It's up to you.
Ready, set, go.
I'm using editing application CapCut, and CapCut has more features, more functions. And I also prefer you use CapCut. It's a very best tool and very best application for editing a video. It's very best editor. And one more thing, you can also uh, speed up your video. I love to watch speed up videos more than 2x or 3 4x. If you love to watch speed up videos, then speed up your videos. Then if you don't like it, so stay normal. Now, come on. No, delete it and drag from there to there. Drag it. Now look, and this also drag, drag. I'm continuously dragging. Now, now look, see, it look very nice and smooth. Come on, delete it and come on, drag, drag. Yes, till there. And if you have some space from there, now split this clip and drag this clip to there and extend the clip. Yes. Now look, it's look very fantastic.
Set, go.
Ready, set, go. Your video is ready.
Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
Okay, one more thing, you also add and filter on your clips for better look, for sharp look. I always use HD pet filter and HDR, and it's very dark, so this clip should be light for better result. Use a sapphire filter. Now look, it's look very good. Change the filter. Sorry, it will take very long time. Sorry, my English is not so very well, so you please manage with that. You can also edit some captions in your videos because CapCut have many features in application, so it's up to you. You add more things and your videos go more popular. Okay, thanks guys. Hope you enjoy it and hope you understand all the things. Okay, bye.